Maxway was founded in 2004. We're a full-service electronics manufacturing service (EMS) provider globally, offering the complete end-to-end manufacturing solutions, including material procurement, printed circuit board assembly (PCBA), box build, high-level assembly, system-level test, DFM, engineering support, configure-to-order, and order fulfillment. With over more than 18 years in manufacturing experience, Maxway has established itself as a global manufacturer and designer of products and components, which are designed and manufactured in North America. Firstronic, our company, joint venture located in Michigan and Mexico. In Europe, LaCroix Electronics, our company, joint venture located in France, Germany, Poland, and Tunisia. Maxway in Asia, Shenzhen, Huizhou, China Manufacturing Center and company headquarters. We have been long known for its high quality of PCBA intelligent manufacturing, engineering services, and OEM design for manufacturing capabilities on both electronics and mechanical to have the system integrations on the finished goods, strong testing and products reliability laboratory capabilities. With several decades of success, we've pioneered ourselves around the traditional high-precision and high-quality manufacturing models. As full member of IPC, Maxway specializes in high-quality product realization for clients all over the world, including North and South America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Key markets the company engages include automotive electronics, industrial control, high-end consumers, and medical devices. We diversified product manufacturing experiences and a rapid response to new product introduction (NPI). We provide our customers with flexible and reliable manufacturing solutions. Currently, with around more than 10,000 employees and occupying 63,600 square meters, and more than 80 SMT lines with final assembly, turnkey solutions to our global customers. Maxway's manufacturing facilities meets or exceeds the highest regulatory, quality, and traceability requirements. Our engineering, quality assurance, and project management teams cooperate closely with customers to fully understand and exceed your requirements. Our operations have been accredited ISO 9001:2015, ISO 13485:2016, ISO 14001:2015, IATF 16949:2016. Our mission is to exceed our customers' expectations in quality, delivery, engineering, lead manufacturing service and solution, and cost through continuous internal improvement, commitment, responsibility, and customers' interaction. Our benefits to customers: best quality and high technology-oriented manufacturing capabilities, lead manufacturing system and intelligent manufacturing system on efficiency optimization and high quality guaranteed, global supply chain management focus, quick prototype local engineering support, localized and customized engineering service, valuable competition, speed, quality, flexibility, engineering service, cost, long-term cooperation experience, 17+ years with world-class customers. Maxway Electronics Company Limited is looking forward to the future cooperation with you and offering our professional manufacturing, engineering services, and solutions to you globally with our hearts on the quality to make our customers succeed and being reliable. Your reliable EMS, ODM, OEM partner is our goal. We're sincerely looking forward to working with you together to win the prosperous future.